whatever was up here was going to cause a distraction, and it worked. Because we were like focused on that, but we physically heard walking in the creek. Like if somebody was walking in the water, you can tell the difference between that and the babbling brooks. There's a distinct sound. The three of us heard it at the same time. We're like, dude, do you hear that? And there's no way we could see what was up there because whatever was up there took off. And there's like a bunch of trees. There's no way we're gonna see down there, even with a thermal. And so that was just like the whole start of that whole trip, and it got weirder from there.